Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. How about this? How about we use the quick link, which is the Windows key plus X, or right-click here on Start. How about we take Power Options and we get that to open up to the control panel instead of settings. Pretty cool, I think. So what you're going to do is look for the I up here, or check the video description, and click right here. Let's download it by clicking Download Now. Download will start immediately. Now, here's what we got to do. It's a little different than what we usually do on Major Geeks. Instead of a registry file or a batch file or a PowerShell script, this is just shortcut links. We just need to copy it from point A to point B. If you know what you're doing, you're all set. Here's the path right here. And all you got to do is take a look at the two folders. Let me show you. Here's downloads. Let's extract them right here. Now here we go. There's the folder. All right, so here's a cool thing. So you've got two folders, not hard. This is the control panel shortcut right here. It's called a shortcut. And here is your default setting right there. So now what we need to do is get the file copied over. So let's highlight this. You hold your left mouse button down, drag it across in all this bold lettering here. Right click right over which you highlighted and click copy. Geeks, you can use WinRAR, 7-zip, PZip. Extract the file right directly there. Now that you have it in your clipboard, just extract it, whichever one you want, where you want it. Here's my favorite way of doing it, which should be good for anybody. File Explorer is open. You are where you want to be. Right click here on File Explorer. Click File Explorer again. Now you've got two instances of File Explorer open. I'll try and fit them in the screen. In a virtual machine, my window's a little smaller. So we'll come up here, click here, see how it's highlighted? Either Control V or backspace to clear it out. Control V, press enter. That's it. So now that you know how to do it, we're already at settings. Let's put the control panel over there. Let's click on this, right click on Power and Sleep here under control panel. Drag it over here. You got to be able to, I screwed it up. You got to be able to get a blank spot here. Let me move it here. Like I said, I'm sorry for having the small window size. Virtual machine's great, but right click, hold it down. Got that? Right, and hold it down. See how it says copy now? So we're going to do copy here. When you let go, it's going to ask you to overwrite. You say yes, and that's it. So that's, in my opinion, the easiest way to do it. Press the Windows key plus X or right click on Start and click on Power Options, and there it is. I believe we can also right click Power Options the first time, always ask, uncheck that, open. Let me try that again just to make sure that worked and I don't look as dumb as I feel right now. Yay. So you want to do that the first time just so it doesn't do it. Now, obviously, maybe you miss your settings now. You don't want that anymore. So we're going to repeat the steps. We're going to come back. We're going to go to the settings. It's marked as default. We're going to do the exact same thing. Make sure that's highlighted. Right click and start dragging. Let go. Copy here. Replace. And you're back just the way it was when we started. There you have it. Neat little trick. I think a lot of you are going to like it just because, especially in Power Options, a lot of the control panel settings are just better than the Windows 10 settings. There's just more stuff in there. Stuff. All right, bottom right hand corner, click subscribe. Let me know if we helped you out. Let me know what you think about this too. I think it's a pretty neat little option. I think I'm going to use this myself. So there you have it. And again, links are available in the video description and the little I up here. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.